So guys, let's begin. Here I have taken in 1 kg of potatoes. Okay. Now let's peel them. Make sure to remove the entire skin. Also, make sure to remove any of these black marks like this on the potatoes. And wash them thoroughly under running water. Now I'll show you how to slice them in French fries manner. So just cut off both the ends like this and 1/2 inch thickness. Cut the potato into these slices into 1/2 inch thickness like this. And further cut them into French fries patterns like this. See, you've got your perfect French fries size. Yes, repeat the same to all the other potatoes. Yes, so all of them have been sliced to the desired size. Now, yeah, see the French fries size, shape. Now, I'm going to add in water till it fills the potatoes to the top and allow this to soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I am going to drain off all the water and keep the potatoes aside, as you can see. Okay, now we need to thoroughly dry them. So for that, I am laying down a fresh, clean cloth, towel cloth, and I'm placing all the potato slices on this cloth like this. The main thing is that we need to dry them thoroughly. Okay. And now I'm going to spread all the pieces so that they do not overlap on each other and each of them have got the chance to dry on the towel. Don't worry that you have to make them completely dry. Just do this, and on top of it close another clean towel like this and just pat it dry like this. And leave it to dry for about 10 minutes maybe. That's it. Don't worry that it should be like, paper dry or something. Don't worry at all. Now I have kept the oil and on low medium flame, and I'm going to drop in the potato slices into this. The moment I drop in the potato slices into the oil, I turn the flame to low. Okay. So do not overcrowd them in the oil. Now what you need to do is allow this to cook on low flame while flipping it in between like this for about 10 minutes continuously. After 10 minutes, remove them from the flame and place them on a tissue spread plate. Like that. Allow them to rest for about 2 minutes. Now turn the flame to medium high and allow the oil to cook. Meanwhile, in between 2 to 3 minutes bandwidth, Now in a big vessel, I'm going to add in some red chili powder, some salt and some garlic powder, and I'm going to mix this well. So in the 2 to 3 minutes of gap, you'll wait till the oil is heated, and after 2 to 3 minutes, drop the same batch of fries into the hot oil and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or till they start to turn little brownish. Brownish in the sense they start to change the color. You can see that little golden brownish there. So as you cook them on medium high flame, they turn little brownish, golden brown, and once they start to turn to that color, immediately remove all the potatoes from the oil. That's it guys, turn off the flame, and when your French fries are hot itself, just throw them into the powder mix and mix it well. While it is hot only, it needs to get coated with all the powders. And as you can see, since it is hot, the powders stick to the French fries very well, and it is ready to be served. Serve with ketchup, or you can eat it as by its own, and it is super delicious. Trust me guys, do try this, and please leave a comment in the section down below, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also check out my other videos over here, and I guys see you next time. Bye.